Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss how to manifest your dream life. This is especially important for those of you who feel like where you are and where you want to be is so far away, or you feel like it's so out of your reach. This is about closing the gap and getting you from where you are to where you want to be. When it comes to manifesting, there's this idea that what you put out comes back to you, and it comes back to you tenfold. So why is that? Why is it that the energy and the vibrations that you put out always comes back to you? The reason is because your dominant vibration and your dominant energies, whatever your dominant output is, really shapes your everyday decisions and your everyday beliefs. And these beliefs and decisions turn into habits. And these habits become your identity. It becomes a part of who you are. And that's such a powerful thing, to be able to shift your identity. When you shift your identity and change the core of who you are, then you start to attract new things, because essentially you're no longer the person that you were. You're this different person. And because you are this different person, you start living a different life. And that is what magnetizes and attracts all of the things into your life. And that's why identity shifting is such a powerful tool and technique when it comes to manifesting. You're really able to, in a way, get out of your current reality and your current situation and jump and leap into a new reality and a new identity. And it's one of the fastest methods because of that. So changing your life in a big and drastic way can actually be as easy and simple as changing your thoughts and changing your beliefs, which will then change your actions and habits and your identity. And that will completely change your current reality and allow you to attract everything that you want. The next thing we're going to talk about is why letting go is so powerful. Why is it that when you let go, you're able to then attract a lot more successfully than when you are attached? It's mostly because when you let go and release something, when you no longer are concerned or worried about it, you're really not looking for it anymore. You're not wondering, where is it? Why isn't it here? Why isn't it showing up? Why don't I have it yet? You're not thinking and focusing on the lack of it in your life. You're really not thinking about it at all. And that allows it to come. Because when you think things like, where is it? And why isn't it here yet? Why don't I have it yet? Immediately your brain will start to answer those questions, and generally in a very negative way. So questions like, why don't I have it? Your brain might immediately think, well, maybe I don't deserve it. Well, maybe I'm not good enough. Or you might be obsessing with how something can come into your life, and you might have a very specific idea of how you want things to unfold. If you want to manifest a partner, maybe in your mind, deep down, you're like, well, I'm a traditional person and I don't want to meet them online and I have to meet them like at the gym or at the grocery store or something like that. When in reality, that's just really not something that happens in the modern world. So if you're really attached to this very specific way of things unfolding, what could be happening is you're just limiting yourself and you're limiting the possibilities. And when your mind answers the questions of why don't you have this thing yet, and all of these negative ideas come up, that is really what you're putting out. That's the energy that you're putting out. So what you get back is more things to make you feel that way. So more time delays, more of not getting what you want, more of the lack. And then that becomes kind of a vicious cycle. So when you're able to let go of something, or even if you're just able to let go of how you want this thing to happen, and you're able to let go of that control, it becomes a lot easier for this thing to come into your life. You're more open to the infinite ways that this could manifest, to all of the different possibilities of how this could unfold, rather than just this one specific way that it can unfold. And the last thing I want to address is celebrating your small manifestations. This technique has worked so well for me. Every time I manifest something small, I just get really excited about it. And I'll talk about it. I'll talk about how I manifested this. And my boyfriend and I, we usually just kind of laugh when I say I manifested this. But it becomes like a really fun and joyous experience. and it puts your mind and your intention and your attention on the fact that you are always manifesting, that you are a powerful creator, and that you can manifest everything that you want into your life. So celebrating the small little wins, celebrating all the tiny things that you manifest into your life, and having fun with it and putting that kind of like childlike energy into it will really reaffirm your identity as a powerful creator. And that will make it so much easier for you to manifest the bigger things, to attract the bigger things into your life. The other day I was like saying I want to buy more kitchen towels, and my boyfriend was like, we already have so many, like why do we need to buy more? And I said, well, I want enough to do like a whole laundry load of just kitchen towels. And he laughed. He was like, you're literally insane. But today actually his mom came by and dropped off like a million kitchen towels because she's moving and she's like not gonna use them anymore. And we were just laughing and laughing, and he was like, you manifested it, because I remember you said you wanted enough to have a whole laundry load of them. And I thought it was really funny in the moment, but I actually love doing this. Whenever I manifest anything small, I love to bring attention to it and sort of think about it, kind of marinate in that feeling of getting what you want, because it's going to make you realize that you are always going to get what you want if you put your mind to it. It's a really powerful affirmation. It's kind of like that person who's like, I always get what I want. I always get what I want. And I want you to kind of repeat that to yourself and write it down. Maybe you can journal it out. Maybe you can leave a comment on this video about all of the positive affirmations about how you're really good at manifesting, how you always get what you want, how you're a lucky person. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope that you found value in this. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with someone who might also find it to be impactful, and I will see you next time. Bye!